I am Professor Mohammad Ubaidullah Bokhari, Department of Computer Science, Aligarh Muslim University. Today we'll discuss about the advanced database management system and also need of database management system. Database management system and advanced database management systems are two different things, but we learn advanced database concept of DBMS and those concepts are called the advanced database management system. Data warehousing and data minings are the two more important topics in advanced database management system. Data warehouses are techniques for collecting and managing data from varied sources to provide meaningful business insight. It is a blended of technologies and components which allow the strategic use of data. Data warehouses is electronic storage for a large amount of information by a business which is designed for query and analysis instead of transaction processing. It is a process of transformation of data into information and making it available to user for analysis. Data mining is looking for hidden, valid, and potentially useful patterns in huge data sets. Data mining is all about discovering unsuspected, previously unknown relationship among the data. We can see data warehousing and data mining by diagrammatic representation of data mining and data warehousing. We extract data and then data warehousing will do by different tools available. Let's called OLAP and we get the data mining. Why use data warehouses? Where data warehouses integrates many sources of data and helps to decrease the stress on the production system. It also optimizes data for reading, access, and consecutive disk scans. Data warehouses helps to protect data from the source system upgrades. It also allows users to perform master database management system. It also improves data quality in source system. Why use data mining? To establish relevance and relationship among data, use this information to generate profitable insights. It also used for business to make informed decision quickly. It also helps to find out unusual shopping pattern in grocery store. Optimize website business by providing customized offer to each visitor. It also helps to measure customer response relates in business marketing. It also helps to creating and maintaining new customer group for marketing purposes. Predict customer defections like which customer are more likely to switch to another supplier in the nearest future. Differentiate between profitable and unprofitable customers. Identify all kinds of suspicious behavior as a part of a fraud detection process. Thank you very much.